been lonely for so long, and the birds sing along, and the birds sing along.